Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a KSCRAFT die haul. So I'm just going to tell you up front that I was really out of my mind when I did this. But I am super excited to have these dies in my stash. I did purchase the entire September release. Once in a while, I do get a whole release so I can bulk up my stash and have lots of things to play with, and so that's what I did with this one. It actually had a couple of different themes for this release. It had some fall dies as well as some baking dies, which would include a little bit of Christmas in there. So without further ado, let's just dig right into all of these goodies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a piece of paper here so you can see the dies a little bit better. So this set is what they're calling the large paper bead maker set. And with this one, you get 11 different dies. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this one here, this is 6. It's a double pointed one. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So those are going to be fun. I think it would be great to make some beads to put in embellishment boxes and add to projects, as well as just maybe make some jewelry out of them. So that'd be kind of fun. And then here I picked up the fall banner set, and this is kind of like an add-on set to a previous release. Let me squish the camera in just a tad so you guys get a good look at these dies. It says Fall Pie, Autumn, Gather, and Turkey, and you get some little embellishment pieces here as well as the banner and the layering piece. So that's a really nice set to have. I love that one. Here we have the fall garland set. Okay, so with this one you get the pies. So you got the base, the layering, and then the top of the pies you get these gorgeous leaves. This turkey one here, those are kind of cute. There's the turkey layers and the acorns with all the layering pieces there. And by the way, I'm not going to be giving you the prices to these because I did buy it as a bundle. But if you go onto the KSCRAFT website, you will be able to very easily find out each individual die and how much they cost. So then I picked up the Scarecrow bag toppers, and the set did come with the large and the small, so I think these are going to be super cute to share at Thanksgiving time as well as just general fall crafting. Lots of layers and pieces there, so those are going to be fun. And then I got the fall words. So we have here, see if I can read these, grateful, blessed, autumn, gobble gobble, Thanksgiving, and give thanks. So that's a nice set, I think. Very useful there. Then I picked up, and like I said, this is fall as well as baking themed. So here is the cookie shaker set. So this is really cute. You get the base piece and all of the little spots here for your raisins or your chocolate chips or whatever kind of candies you want to cut out. And then the top piece there for your shaker. So that is a fun little set there. And then we have the, let's see, this is the baking garlands. So this one you get the oven mitts. You get these little chef hats here. Some cupcakes as well as some aprons. So that's a fun set. I really do like using those sets. And then this one, uh-oh, here comes little trouble. Come on, Kiki, hit the road. Go on. Go on. Scoot. Okay, sorry about that, everybody. Kiki's got to get in the middle of everything. So this one, I believe they're calling this the A2 baking frame. So this is a good size to put on the front of a card. Oops, I think I have that one upside down. You've got a cooling rack. It says, let's see, baked with love. You got your spatula and the layering pieces. You've got this beautiful frame here with the little hearts on it and the stitching. Here's another layering piece. We've got little cookies here as well as some oven mitts. So that's a pretty die set. This baking theme is really cute. And then we have the large cabinet. So this is like your pie cabinet or your baking cabinet. So you get your front piece here, and I'm not really sure what these are just yet. I'm sure I will figure them out as I'm working on this die. And then here's your base layering piece with the pretty legs, and it's got the leaves on there, almost like Amish furniture. Oh, by the way, I didn't point this out, but look at the pretty heart designs on the top there. So that's going to be really cute. We've got some, we got the mixer and the mixing bowl and the measuring cup, the cake plate and the cake topper, the cake plate topper. Not sure what all these are. We've got some cups here and some mixing bowls. Not sure what this is. I'll have to figure that one out too. But yeah, that's a really cool set. And I think you could actually turn this into a box if you use the box maker set. And Scrap Diva has one, as well as KSCRAFT. Then I picked up the baking word dies. We've got baked for you to enjoy, sprinkle with sugar and stuff with love, have a piece of heaven, you bake me happy, baked with love just for you, and home baked treats. And then you can see you get some extra little stamp pieces there. Sorry, this kitty is in here. Come on, Kiki. He has to get into everything. I tell you, he has to get into everything. He is a kitty through and through. Okay, here are the, let's see, fall shaker plates. You get mushrooms, leaves, acorns, umbrella, rain boots, and some leaves there. So that's great for making some shaker pieces and for adding to your Happy Meal packages and whatnot. So that's a good set. I always love those. Then we have the baking words. So you get 6 words here. This one says fresh, cookies, I think that says delicious, chocolate, homemade, and baked. So that's an awesome set too. Really, really a fun release. This is an add-on to the cat mini album they came out with last year. And I think it was for Valentine's Day, but now you can turn it into a Christmas album. You've got these gorgeous snowflakes, little pom-pom for the hat here, and here's where you would put the pom-pom at. We've got some little light bulbs, some more snowflakes, more little light bulbs. Actually, the light bulbs go on this garland here. See the garlands? You got some Christmas trees, the little fluffy part that goes on the front here. We've got kitty eyebrow. I guess those are kitty eyebrows, and there's the little kitty mouth and nose there. So that is cute. I didn't get to make that last year, but maybe I'll be able to do that for Christmas. That'd be fun. Then there are a couple of mini albums in this release. Here is the acorn set, and this is, I think this is just beautiful. You've got this gorgeous layering piece. It's got the stitching that goes around. You have all these lattice work cutouts. That's the top layering piece for the album itself. And you've got your base piece. You have your stitch layering piece. And then you have another piece here that's got some embossing lines on it so that you can cut out your individual pages. So that is the Acorn mini album. And then the next mini album they released this time around is the Scarecrow mini album. And here is the top piece of the hat. And once again, you get your base piece, your stitch layering piece, your top layering piece, your cute little face there. Here's some hair that will go underneath the edge of the hat. I think this is a decorative piece. I don't know, does that go? I think it must go on the hat somewhere. Oh, probably across here. And he's got this cute little top to his outfit there. So that's going to be cute. And this is a great size. Love that. And then here is really an awesome, awesome set here. Look at this one here. It's a cookie jar mini album. And as usual, you got your base, your stitch layering, your top layering. It's shaped like a cookie jar. You get this one, which makes it a shaker. Here is the knob that goes on top of your cookie jar. You've even got a mini cookie jar here. Here's the lid and the knob. We got some little candy cutout pieces there to go on your cookies. You got some little cookies, you got some bigger cookies, and there is the base piece for the shaker cookie jar there. So that is a cute set. Love that. And then let's see, which one is this? They are calling this one 3D crate. That's what this is. So this is your side piece. So you need to cut this out twice. So one will go on each side like that. Here is your back piece and your front piece. So one will go here, one will go here. And then you've got your base piece here. You've got a layering piece there. You've got these little pieces here to add here as tags. So that's a super cute set too. And I believe Hannah did show this as, or talk about using this as a Memdex box. So apparently it's the perfect size for that. So that's really cool. Yeah, I can see lots of uses for that. And this set here is the large tag stacking pocket set. So here is your back piece for your tag. It is a really nice size. Let me just measure that right quick. So that is 6.5 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide. And then you get your, this is the front pocket, and these are all the layering, or the fold out pieces for the side. You have this piece here to cut out your cardstock to do your little hole up there. And then you've got a layering piece here, and it's got stitching on it. And then this is the back pocket, so it's going to go like this. You got your tag and your back pocket, and it, by the way, has a beautiful layering piece and a beautiful scallop up here at the top. And then this layering piece that's going to go here. So that is going to be a really fun die set to create projects for Happy Mail and swaps. So that's great. That was the large tag stacking pocket set. And oh, let's see. Oh, this one. I am in love with this. This is the Cookie Sheet Mini Album. Okay, check out how big this is. This measures 8¼ inches. 8¼ inches. Look at how big that is. And it's got all these beautiful stitching lines going all the way around. You've got your layering piece here to go on top. Here is your joining piece to make it a mini album. You've got the letters for the word sweet. You've got a giant cookie here, or at least I think that's a giant cookie. Kind of looks like a cookie to me. Spatula, cupcake, the topper to the cupcake. Let's see. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not sure what that is for. I'll have to figure that out. And this little layering piece here, I'm not sure what, oh, that probably layers up on this. Here you've got the word recipe, you've got a star-shaped cookie, you've got your measuring cups and the layering pieces, you've got a cookie with a layering piece, your rolling pin, and that layers on here. And then I think this little piece probably layers on the handle, but I'm not positive. We'll have to figure that out. But this is just an absolutely awesome set. Absolutely awesome. If you don't get anything else from KSCRAFT, if you want to do some baking projects, this is the one to have. And you don't have to make a mini album out of it. You can simply just make the projects. And by the way, Hannah did say you could layer these just right and turn this into a shaker. So that would be awesome too. So that's what I've got for you today. The entire September release from KSCRAFT. Don't forget to check them out on AliExpress, Amazon, YouTube, Instagram, all the fun places that you can go to see projects made with these. I have not yet seen very many projects from this release popping up on YouTube, but if they're not there yet, they're going to be soon, and I can't wait to see what other people do with these, and I can't wait to dive into these to make some projects myself. And I mean, really, this, if you don't buy any other die this time from KSCRAFT, you must get this one. So many things you can do with this die set. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing all the dies from this release, and I would love it if you'd leave me a comment down below and just let me know which one was your favorite die from this release, and I just appreciate hearing from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I do read and try to respond to every single comment that I get, and sometimes I fall behind, but I do go back and I check them all and I respond to them. And I just really appreciate all of you guys out there for supporting my channel. And I will just catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.